Welcome. If you've been searching for a way to see spam comments on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest updates, managing your comments and making sure you don't miss anything, even those hidden as spam, has become easier than ever. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to reveal spam comments directly from the Instagram app on your computer. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're on your main feed, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu with several icons. At the bottom of this menu, find and click on the More icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. After clicking More, a new set of options will appear. Here, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can adjust various aspects of your Instagram experience, including your privacy and comment controls. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Hidden Words. This feature is designed to help filter out unwanted or potentially offensive comments, but it can sometimes hide messages and comments you actually want to see, especially those flagged as spam. Once you're in the Hidden Words section, you'll see an option called Hide Comments. By default, this setting may be turned on, which means Instagram is automatically hiding comments it thinks are spam or inappropriate. To make sure you can view all comments, including those marked as spam, simply disable the Hide Comments option. That's it. Now, all comments, even those previously filtered out by Instagram's automated systems, will be visible under your posts. This gives you full control over what you see and lets you decide for yourself which comments to keep or remove. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with friends who might be missing out on important comments. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most of your Instagram experience.